it's Miss A. I hope everyone is enjoying their break. I know I am. I'm having a lot of fun hanging out with my dogs and spending some quality time with my family. So I hope it's going great for you guys as well. So this is the structure that's going to happen is I'm going to go over the answers pretty straightforward first, and then I'm going to go over more of the nitty-gritty of the process and the reasoning behind those answers. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so your first 8 questions, they ask you to find each square root, and these are illustrated at the very top, or told to you that they are already perfect squares right here. So that perfect squares are normally the easier of the two between non-perfect and perfect. So yeah, without further ado, let's look at number 1. So it's asking you the square root of 36, which is 6. 2, the square root of 64 is 8. The square root of 121 is going to give you 11. The square root of 25 is going to give you 5. Square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 144 is 12. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so if that's all you needed to check your answers, then I will see you later. Enjoy your break. Again, the next section of this will be on the imperfect squares or non-perfect squares, and I will post that in a day or so. So until next time, see you later. All right, so let's get into the process and the reasoning behind why 6, 8, and so on and so forth are actually the square roots of these numbers. So when we are asked to take the square root of something, we're being asked what number multiplied by itself will result in the number underneath the radical. So the radical is this little figure here. This is called the radical. And we're wanting to find this number. We want to know the square root of that number, or what number times itself will result in said number. So if we were to look at 36 and we take the square root of 36, we know that 6 times 6 gives you 36. Therefore, the square root of 36 is just this single number, or 6. Okay, it's the same process for the other ones as well. So knowing your timetables is really, really important for understanding square roots and non-perfect squares. So this is a little bit more than what the initial question over here was asking. It says find each square root of the perfect squares, give you the answers, and then we go into a little bit of more of an instructional base and deepen our knowledge of what math we're actually doing. So this was talking to you about how we get a square root of a number. It's because when we take the square root of the number underneath the radical, it results from a number being multiplied by itself to give you the number underneath the radical. When we take the square root of this, we get this number. Therefore, when we take the square root of 36, we know that 6 times 6 is 36, or gives us that x number. So the square root of 36 is going to give you 6. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys tune in again for this section right here, which will be posted in a day or two. Enjoy your break. Don't work too hard, guys. Enjoy it. You deserve it. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.